To create a client portal in Wix, start by going to your website and selecting Edit Site. Once the site has finished loading, you'll see a variety of options on the left side, including Add Elements, Add Section, Pages, Menu, Site Design, and Add Apps. The most important option for creating a client portal is Add Apps. In the Wix app market, you can find the necessary app by searching for Member Area. The Wix Member Area app is free to install and allows you to create a space for clients to register and log in. Once you've installed the app, you can customize the member area to fit your needs. You can add a login bar to your site, which can be moved wherever you want, and customize its design. The login bar allows clients to log in and access their account settings, which can include options such as updating personal info, changing passwords, and more. You can also manage member sign-up settings, including options for new member sign-up and existing member login. Additionally, you can enable social login options, such as Google or Facebook login, and add links to your site's terms of use and privacy policy. The member area can be customized to fit your site's design, including options for layout, colors, and more. You can also add a login bar to your site by dragging and dropping it into place, and customize its design to fit your needs. To add a login bar, go to the Add Elements section and select Community. Then choose the Login Bar option. You can then customize the login bar's design, including its layout, colors, and more. Creating a client portal in Wix is a relatively simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. With the Wix Member Area app, you can create a convenient and customizable space for your clients to register and log in, and manage their account settings.